We try a problem in which I'm adding two fractions together to have different denominators. First case, I have 1 over 15, and I'm adding it to 1 over 9. How to do a problem like this is that it's easier if you start making lines for each one of them, and you're going to get more or less the gist of what I'm doing. I want to break down what I have for its factors. The factors of 15 would be 5 times 3. That's the prime numbers that you multiply together to get that denominator. I'm going to put a line on the top of this, and you're going to understand why in 1 second. I'm going to write the same thing twice. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. So essentially, it is 1 over 1, which is a 1. Okay? And I have to multiply this. Okay? This guy right here is 1/9. The factors that make up 9 is 3 times 3. But the same thing on top, 3 times 3. So essentially, when you think about it, if I put 1/15 times 1, my answer is still 1/15. This is the identity problem. I mean, identity property of multiplication. And what that means is that it doesn't change the number. So this is legally what you can do, right? That being the case, I can turn around and I can look and see what my factors are that make up these two numbers, 15 and 9. Second thing I'm going to determine, okay, is what's the difference between these two? If I look at the top one, 5 and 3, the 5 is not found in the bottom one. So I'm going to turn around and put 5 there. How? I just put a 5. I'm putting a 5 on top. Remember, it's just 1 if I put it like this. Okay? That'll be multiplying. I look at the other one. There's 2 3s here, but there's only 1 3, so I can put a 3 here. Right? Once again, just multiplying by 1. Now, all I'm going to do is just cross out these two things. I'm not using them anymore. And multiply across. So 1 times 3, because I'm doing the numerator, 1 times 3 is 3. 15 times 3 is 45. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And let's say this was an addition problem. You just add these two together. You can add them now because you have the same denominator. And your answer for this problem would be 8 over 45. So this is how you add fractions that have different denominators. You try to convert them to the same denominator by looking at their factors. That's what I'm doing.